Major Franz John D. L. Roslin, Code G5, Cadet Major Alvin G. Nacional, Major Leader, Cadet Major Kimberly B. Gabriel, Band Leader, Cadet Major Just O. Acodia, Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Louis G. Desena, Company XO, Cadet Captain Christian D. Benedict, First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Jesse James D. Navarro, Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Sophia A. E. Raka, DL Trainer, Mark Joseph Sevilla, C.A.D. Trainer, Master Sergeant Ronald Pinido Ricard, C.A.D. Assistant Trainer, Mark Chris A. Gurubat. Entry number 5, Pamplona, National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur.